Hey everybody.
Hey everybody, I'm JoJo.
And I'm Jeff, and welcome. So today's episode, we are unboxing a couple e-bikes.
Again.
Yes.
Again.
Aventon are, I guess everybody knows we're ambassadors with them.
Yep, we love them.
They said, you guys are RVers and you do so well with our bikes. We would like to send you a couple
Here's
bikes.
more.
Yeah. Yep. To check out that are specifically for tight spaces.
Right.
They
Travelers.
they said for boaters, for RVers.
Yeah.
These are bikes that fold very much like the electric bikes.
Right.
Now, these bikes, we think they are the bomb.
We do. Well,
And
our personal, the ones that we have,
yes,
we love.
Yes, and we haven't really tried these yet or put too much time on these at the time of you viewing this.
Right. What are they called?
Aventon
The
cinches.
cinch. Yep.
The cinches.
Cinches.
So these are folding bikes that are specifically designed for really the RV industry.
Right.
And the boating industry and people that need to have tight spaces in apartments or things
Travel.
like that.
Yeah, so you can put it away.
But these are heavy duty bikes. And yeah, forgive me, Joe just got off playing golf here.
Of course.
She still has the glove on.
Beat it. Sorry.
So at any rate, this first part is just going to be the unboxing of these bikes. We're pretty excited about them.
Yeah.
And then we have a little surprise at the end, so stay tuned for that.
Yes.
This is in honor of our vets. Memorial Day just passed, so that was just a day or so ago. And
we want to give a very, very special thanks to everyone that paid the ultimate price for our freedom and our land. And I'm going to cry, and everything that we are able to do in the way we live the way we want to.
Yeah. And I will say, we wanted to put that part of the video out last Sunday, but we were in an area we did not have Wi-Fi service or cell service or anything. So that's why you didn't see a video last Sunday.
At all.
So
and
here
you're still sick.
Yeah, I'm still a little sick. Still recovering.
Yeah.
So anyway, enjoy this unboxing of these Aventon bikes, and we'll be right back. All right, Joe, what do we got here?
Some massive boxes. The new cinches.
The new cinch.
Look at this. Is not a cinch
from Aventon. We are currently at my daughter's house.
Right.
And as you see, these are taking up pretty much the entire deck.
Just 2 boxes.
So we're going to open them up here. Aventon had sent us these bikes
to test.
And they said, Jeff, you guys are in the RV industry, and we believe these are going to be the best bikes for RVers.
So we said.
And we said, we'll check them out. Go ahead and send them to us. So as you all know, we have our Aventon Adventures.
That we absolutely love.
Love, love, love.
So this is, I'm excited. Because we tried that little toy.
Yeah.
That Jeff and the circus bear.
Yeah, I'll show you that one here.
So yeah, so we're gonna try these out. I'm really excited to see how they compare to the what, Jeff?
To the Aventon Adventures.
No.
Oh, you mean the electrics?
To the electrics. So this is the thing.
We are going to do a box opening here, so you guys can see this. But we're also going to try them out, play with them, and we're going to compare them to people who have the electrics.
Yeah.
I believe these are far superior than the electrics.
But
they're a little lighter. They're a little more heavy duty.
Yep.
And
from the looks of it, not much smaller, but we don't know yet.
No, I think they're about the same size.
No, I know. I was joking because of the boxes, honey.
Oh yeah, yeah.
So let's get to it. Come on.
So let's open them up.
Okay.
Can you tear that open?
Pretty easily, I might add.
Oh, all right. I'm gonna let you go for it.
Yeah.
In our limited space. Here, let me get this side for you.
Oh, those are big, beefy tires, honey.
Oh, yeah, they're big white tires.
We might like these. Oh, look at that green, some metallic. Oh my word.
Okay, now we probably have to lift this up. So I'm going to set the camera down.
Okay. All right, let's do that.
All right, so now we're going to open the other one. Let's go.
It's mine.
All right. this one.
Okay, ready?
All right.
One. Not quite. Oh my God, this is mine. Look at the brown and the red. I love it, like Indian color.
Okay, here they are unboxed, but still kind of packaged up. We just took them out of the box. So we have the green one here, and we have the red one. That's pretty red.
Yeah, it's like a fire engine red, actually, or a blood red.
So now we're going to take all the wrapping off of it and unfold it, because that's really all you have to do to these things is unfold them and they're ready to go. So let's go ahead and do that, Joe.
Let's
grab your little snips. You want to do the green one first?
Oh, if I can. Excuse me, hold on.
Okay.
Yeah, 2. Down here is 3.
Let's unfold it, because that's what we're holding it from folding. Oh no, we got a few more things to do.
You can unfold it.
Now,
unfold it somewhere. Almost.
we want to make sure everything's.
Oh, look how easy. Shut the front door. Them some beefy tires for an electric. This is what we like. Ooh, ooh. I fall down.
Okay, we're gonna let Joe get regrouped.
We like this. I mean, again, that's a
And look how easy that
preference. You see?
Just push that in, and then that undoes, and then you can open it up.
Oh.
Simple.
Love, love, love the tires. And then your handlebars. This is easy. Easy, easy. Easy peasy.
They go up.
Done. So
We just have to
that's
adjust
a nice
that.
size. Look at that. So Jeff, we all know he's about 6'1". It folds up. Here's unfolded. I mean, here's folded. Sorry. And there you are. What's it weigh about?
Definitely lighter than the other bikes.
Than ours?
Yeah.
Are they? And we know ours are about 75 pounds. Oh, sorry, falling on me.
So Joe's taking off all the little wrappings.
Now, can't do a whole lot of it, I know. Well, I can't. There we go.
There you go.
Sorry, I couldn't get around. There we go.
First, you probably want to clamp the middle.
I probably do.
Not there, not there. The middle.
Oh, there.
The middle.
There we
Okay,
go.
now clamp it. There. now
Done.
it's locked.
That's so easy.
Now you can lift the handlebars. And pull that lever up. Pull it towards you. There you go. That's locked in. So while Joel's doing that, I'm going to show you something really cool that I noticed on these bikes. The pedals. The pedals are already installed.
And
And they fold.
but
Look
look
at
at
that.
them. But look what's on there.
Isn't that cool? They're folding pedals.
And they have like little spikies to hold your feet.
Yeah. So this one
Slide off.
is folded. Just fold it out. Snap it in.
And these
That's pretty slick.
it's open, right?
Yeah, that's about right.
Oops.
Too high.
No, my hip is up here. Right?
Yeah, but you want to be able to. That's fine.
Oh, stand? Yeah.
We'll adjust.
Okay.
Done.
Done! Yeah, it is too high.
So now the last adjustment, and I'll have Joe take the camera and watch me is your handlebars. So you want your handlebars to where your brakes are about up here. So all you do is loosen this, and you adjust that to right around there. Then you tighten that back up, and you're good to go. Now this will adjust about there. So as we're sitting.
Panel. Now we have the charging system, right?
Yep.
Which is in the box. We're going to pull that out in just a moment.
And there's where we plug it in to charge.
We are comfortable right about here.
Okay, lock that down.
Right, and then pull this one back up.
Just about where you want them.
Now look at this beauty. I love the colors. Love it. Right?
That's pretty. All right, so that is the unboxing of these Aventon cinch bikes. And these are fantastic bikes for you RVers out there. Or anybody that wants a bike that folds and can store in really tight spaces.
Doesn't want to.
Boaters.
Right.
Yeah, great bike for boaters. Not too heavy. I'll get the exact weight on this in our next video when we do the full review of the bikes. This was just the unboxing. But very, very impressed with the bikes so far. They are beefy, heavy-duty bikes.
Beefy e-bikes, right? They really are.
And I say these are better than electrics, and when we put these side by side, you're going to see why. All the added features these have, you're going to be pretty impressed with this. Okay, so we just put the back fender on, and didn't realize they gave us a rack too. Well, we realized they gave us a rack, but we didn't realize the screws that they gave us to the fenders are not long enough, so they gave us longer screws to put the rack on.
Because I have to go.
So the screws we just put on, we got to take right off. So, I'll take those right.
Give that to me. Oh.
Yeah, you can have it.
You're working in a very tight spot on Sydney's.
All right. This bike is done. We'll do the same thing on the other bike. We won't show you all that. It's just boring, but it's the same process. And then we'll start to ride them and give you our review. But so far, I'm impressed with these. How about you, Joe?
I am indeed. I'm excited.
Yeah, this red one's pretty. All right. Well, as you saw, that was just an unboxing of these Aventon cinches.
Yep.
So, as we mentioned, we are going to compare these bikes to the electrics. As we go out to various RV parks, we see the electrics. So, we're going to find somebody as we're moving around that has those and say, hey, be a part of our video. Let's compare the two.
Yeah, and can we try yours?
Yeah, so we're going to do that. So, you're going to get their perspective of it because they're going to be electric owners and see what they think about the cinch bikes.
Yeah.
So, it'll be a true value, or true, not value, but a true comparison.
Yep, trick word.
Yep, true comparison. So, as I mentioned before, we're going to do a full review on these bikes, and in preparation for that...
Hey, that was a good word.
Thank you. We leave your comments below, because if there's certain bikes or certain things you'd like to see or learn about these bikes, let us know so we can put that in the review video.
Yeah, so any questions on, anything about the bikes or where you can find them or any specifications, which we try to give you all anyway.
Yeah.
Let us know.
Which you all know you can go to our link for the e-bikes and get a discount by getting these bikes through our link.
Yep.
But at any rate, that is it for the bikes.
That's it.
So, as promised, we want to close this episode with honoring our heroes.
Yes.
Those that made the ultimate sacrifice for all of us.
Absolutely.
To live free and to live the way we do. So we want to thank you all of that. Please stay tuned and watch the entire 2 minutes of this little vignette we put together in honor of our heroes.
Make it a great day.
Make it a great bucket list day. Goodbye.